Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best small dog couch is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of furniture for pet parents looking to provide their furry companions with a dedicated, comfortable, and stylish resting spot that seamlessly integrates into their home decor, ensuring your beloved canine has a cozy haven all their own, making it an essential addition for any discerning dog owner who values both their pet's well-being and the aesthetic appeal of their living space. Number 5. ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover. Are you constantly battling pet hair on your furniture, carpets, and bedding? Say goodbye to the endless struggle with the ultimate solution for effective dog and cat hair removal. This tool makes taking the fur out of your home a breeze. It's perfect for cleaning couches, pillows, rugs, and even your car, making it an essential for every pet owner. Whether you have a cat or a dog, this roller is designed for all types of pet hair. Its powerful design ensures every strand is picked up, leaving your spaces completely hair-free. Using it is as simple as rolling back and forth on any surface. The trapped fur and lint go into a built-in compartment, and a quick press of a button empties it out. It's perfectly simple. Forget sticky tapes and wasteful adhesives. This reusable pet hair remover can be used again and again, making it a sustainable choice for your home and the environment. What we like? Tired of pet hair clinging to every surface? This innovative roller uses a unique mechanism to trap fur and lint without any sticky residue. If you're looking for a sustainable and effective way to keep your furniture and car hair-free, this is the tool for you. What people say. The couch is a perfect size for my small dog. It's very comfortable and my dog loves to nap on it. The material is durable and easy to clean. Number 4. Bedsure Orthopedic Medium Dog Sofa Bed. Give your pet the best sleep with our Orthopedic Dog Sofa. Its high-density foam distributes weight evenly, providing exceptional support and pressure relief for their joints. The four-sided bolster design creates a cozy haven, allowing your pet to snuggle in various positions. It supports their head and neck for a truly restful sleep. Accidents happen, but our cover has a waterproof layer to protect against spills. Simply unzip and machine wash for effortless care. Wrapped in velvety soft flannel, this supportive bed offers a cozy and relaxing experience. It's been tested and approved by dogs for ultimate comfort. Made with 30 PURUS certified foam and OEKOTX certified flannel, it's a safe space for your pet. The non-skid bottom prevents slips and protects your floors. The lowered entrance is designed to protect your pet's knees, making it easy to get in and out. This thoughtful design ensures comfort for pets of all ages. What we like? Give your furry friend the gift of ultimate comfort and support. This bed features high-density foam to cushion joints and a waterproof cover for easy cleanup. If you have a senior dog, a pet with joint issues, or just want to provide a luxurious sleeping experience, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The couch is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for my small dog. My dog loves this couch. It's the perfect size for her and she sleeps on it all the time. The design is cute and it fits well with my living room decor. Number 3. PetSafe CozyUp Folding Dog Stairs. Help your furry friend reach their favorite spots like the couch, bed, or car with ease. These portable steps provide a safe and convenient way for them to climb up on their own. Designed with safety in mind, these steps feature non-slip feet and side rails to prevent accidents. The textured treads ensure a secure grip, giving you peace of mind. When not in use, these stairs fold down flat for easy storage. Their lightweight design makes them perfect for use both indoors and outdoors, and for travel. Whether you have a small, medium, or large dog, these sturdy steps can support them. They are built to last and can accommodate pets up to 200 pounds. From mobility aids to training tools, we offer a wide range of products to keep your pet happy and safe. Trust our commitment to quality and innovation since 1998. Give your pet the freedom to move around their environment without assistance. These steps are a great solution for pets with mobility challenges or those who just need a little boost. What we like? Help your pet reach new heights with these convenient and safe steps. They provide easy access to beds, couches, and cars, with a non-slip design for added security. If you have a small dog, a senior pet, or a pet recovering from surgery, these stairs are a must-have mobility solution. What people say. The couch is the perfect size for my small dog. It's very sturdy and well made. My dog loves sleeping on it. Number 2. Bedsure Calming Dog Bed Medium. Recognized by Oprah Daily, this award-winning bed is loved for its extra fluffy faux fur and cozy design. Its raised rim is perfect for furry heads, blending seamlessly into any home. The signature donut shape provides a soothing, secure space for your pet. The raised edge supports their head and neck, ensuring long-lasting comfort for anxious pets. From naps to overnight snoozes, this bed surrounds your pet in soft, supportive comfort. The round design helps them feel safe and secure, encouraging deeper sleep. Crafted with tested safe fabrics, this bed is gentle on pets. The sturdy, non-slip base keeps it in place, allowing your furry friend to hop in and out with ease. Designed to look as good as it feels, this bed comes in neutral hues. Smaller sizes are fully washable, while larger ones feature a removable cover for easy cleaning. What we like? Create a sanctuary of calm for your anxious or curl-up sleeping pet. This award-winning donut bed offers a secure, cozy space with a raised rim for head support. If your pet suffers from anxiety or simply loves to snuggle, this bed will provide them with deeper, more restful sleep. What people say. The couch is very sturdy and well made, perfect for my small dog. My dog loves this couch. It's the perfect size for her and she sleeps on it all the time. The design is cute and it looks great in my living room. It's also easy to clean. Number 1. GOGOBUNNY 3X Stronger Waterproof Pet Blanket. Introducing the GOGOBUNNY 3X Stronger Waterproof Pet Blanket, your ultimate solution for protecting furniture. It's designed to keep your home safe from scratches, chewing, and accidents. Our advanced 3-layer TPU armor provides a waterproof barrier that is 3 times stronger than regular throws. It effectively blocks spills, mud, and drool, ensuring your furniture remains pristine. This lightweight blanket is perfect for any adventure, from road trips to backyard naps. Its waterproof backing stays dry, making it ideal for use on damp surfaces. Enjoy double the style with its reversible design, offering 2 distinct looks to match your decor. It effortlessly hides stains, keeping your living space looking fresh. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply toss it in the wash for a quick refresh. It dries faster than you can imagine and requires no special detergents. Trusted by countless multi-pet families, it's perfect for everything from teething puppies to senior dogs. Keep your furniture protected, no matter the age or energy level of your pet. What we like? Protect your furniture from even the most mischievous pets with this heavy-duty blanket. Its 3-layer waterproof and scratch-proof design acts as a barrier against accidents, mud, and drool. If you have a puppy, an older dog with potty issues, or just want to safeguard your couch during playtime, this is the ultimate defender. What people say. This dog couch is very sturdy and well made. The fabric is soft and durable, and it's easy to clean. My dog loves sleeping on this couch, and it fits perfectly in my living room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.